Yo, got the first order of the day. This is $12 going, I think it said 6.5 miles, maybe 7.
Here's that for you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Got the next order lined up right after this. I already forgot what it was. I know it's $10 going 4 miles though. I think it was McDonald's.
Good morning. Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Thank you. Got this one pretty much right away. This is on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is going across the river, so probably terrible, but we're doing it anyways. This is a muchas gracias. I think it said it was going 6 miles.
Hi, I can help you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mirador. Okay, why? I now see why it's a hand to customer. Hello.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. That was for a bikini bar, and let's just say there was not a lot of bikini going around. That was interesting. But anyways, let's get out of here. Oh yeah, total for that one was like $7. And got the next one right away. This one is high mileage, but it is taking me back into my zone. So this is a Seize the Bagel going 7 miles.
Good morning.
Have a great day.
Me too. Total for that one was just under $11. Not terrible, not terrible. What am I even doing at this point? I don't know why I took this. This is so dumb. This is a stack. I think this is just the same person ordering twice, but this is Don Pedro going 9 miles, and it's taking me like really far away from my zone. I'm already on the edge of it right now, so this one's only making it that much worse. Not sure if the lobby's open, but I do see someone at the drive-thru and they're standing outside of their car. I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm gonna wait it out, I think. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I was holding my breath that whole time because that place smells like pee really bad. Total for that one was $15. Okay, not bad. Not good either though, because I'm like 2 towns away. Been driving for a while, but finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 going 7 miles, 3 items. Most of that mileage was getting back into my zone because once again, I was really far away with that one. So this isn't as bad as it sounds.
Please remain at this moment.
Alright. Next up, got a stack. Actually, this is the same person ordering twice again. This time it's an IHOP going 4.5 miles. Is this going to a Wendy's? Yes, it is. I thought I recognized the pin on the map. I also need a pin from the customer, so I guess we're gonna have to go through the drive-thru regardless.
Welcome to Wendy's. What can I get started for you?
Hi, I was actually dropping off a DoorDash.
Oh, and one of these was supposed to go to another address. Do you think that would be possible?
So that'd be like a separate thing. I mean, I could do it. How far away is it, do you know?
Let me send you the address right now. Again, if it's not possible, it's totally fine.
Yeah, that was just too far away, and it didn't sound like she was gonna tip me extra. I don't know what the total was for that, because it kind of ended while she was talking and I was distracted, but I'll throw it up here. Like, I might have done it if she gave me a couple bucks in hand, but didn't look like it, so no, I'll pass. Anyways, on to the next one. This is a shop and deliver for Fred Meyer. This one was like $10 going 3 miles, 3 items, something like that. Yeah, it took me way too long to find that sink organizer thing. I thought it was a kitchen gadget, but I guess it's more of a bathroom thing. Got this as I was dropping off. This is a Starbucks, $12 going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Too.
Bye, Rita.
Next up is a Taco Bell. This one's going 2.5 miles. Thank you. And there's a no tip. Total for that one was $4 and change. Got the next order pretty much right away. This is a Seize the Bagel going 4.5 miles. Let me know how you guys think this name is pronounced. I said Kale, they said Kylie, but now that I think about it, Kylie makes more sense as a name. It's spelled K-A-Y-L-E. Total for that one was $10 and got this right away. This is a Taco Bell going 4 miles. There you are.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you.
Have a good one. And that's another no tip. Total for that was $4. That's amazing. Just got the next order. This is Red Leaf Coffee going 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Hello.
Hey.
There you are. Have a good day. Total for that order was $11. Nice. Pretty good tip on that one. I think I'm gonna start heading home, and if I don't get an order, then so be it. Go ahead. Squirrel crossing the road. Current time is 9:34. Current total is, I have no idea actually. So I'll just throw up the total whenever I get all the tips in and all that stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.